Hi, my name is Tanisha Gautam. I have done my schooling from Jaipur, and right now I passed out of 12th standard, and I am pursuing. I'm pursuing. I want to pursue law in future, so I'm preparing for CLAT, and yeah.
Hi, my name is Dhruv. I'm from Delhi. I've done my schooling in Delhi, and I'm in college right now, and I'm preparing for CLAT 2020, and I hope to join a law school and become a lawyer.
Hi, I'm Shasya. I'm from Allahabad. I've done my schooling from Allahabad. I've come here to prepare for CLAT 2020, and I hope to be in a pretty good law school next year.
I'm Vaishnavi. I'm from Bangalore and I've done my schooling from Bangalore. And I just graduated from 12th and I'm hoping to give CLAT and other law exams.
Recently, since the pattern have changed, we have changed our practicing regime, and like the practice is going on good. We are preparing for preparing on the basis of new pattern, and the field that I want to pursue in law, the branch is corporate law, and I am hoping to be one of the best corporate lawyer in the future.
Right, so we're talking about the preparation first. For everyone who's going to give CLAT 2020, what you must know is that the pattern has changed, and it's recently been changed, so all we have is 4 months, which makes it pretty tough, but it also makes it pretty interesting. So my preparation for CLAT 2020 right now, I'm still trying to figure out a lot. What is clear for everyone is that it will require a lot of reading and understanding, and what it will primarily require is a lot of practice, and that is also what we're focusing on in the institute right now. So as it's already been mentioned, the practice routine has changed. We're focusing a lot strictly on practicing reading and critical thinking. I think that's very significant for CLAT preparation, and I hope to give in everything I have, and 4 months later, hopefully, I'll be able to go to my preferred law school.
Yeah, I think by now we all must be aware of the change pattern, and we should plan our studies according to the change pattern. And for that, obviously, we don't have to mug up like the previous year papers. We have to understand the concept of the new paper. We have to read a lot, and according to that, specifically, we should focus on time, because questions are going to be lesser than always, but it has to be, it is going to be a detailed paper. I mean, we have to give it a time. We have to manage time, and everybody should be aware of the new pattern, and they need to study now according to the change pattern. And I think panicking won't help. So yes.
Yeah, as everyone is saying, the new pattern has changed. Now the whole strategy has been flipped. Now I feel that everyone is on the same pedestal. Jitna bhi, like whoever has studied more, less, now it's everything the same. And especially the institution has helped a lot in helping to shape our strategy, the way to approach the paper. Of course, critical reasoning has become very important, as well as reading. And I hope I get into my preferred colleges too.
So since we are talking about the strategies, I think Gaurav sir, who he helps us a lot. He guides us how to practice every day, and how to do each and every section that's gonna come in the paper. How what time limits are there, and what are the strategies that we should implement to brace ourselves, and he has told us that now, since the pattern has changed, the GK section, it has become more vast. Like, it was always vast, but now we have to get into the depth of it. So the modules that we have, and what the way he teaches us, it's, I think, is one of the greatest things that we all can ask for. Yeah.
So primarily how the institute is helping me, and I think a lot of the other students, is that we need to develop on a lot of skills now instead of learning and mugging up, and that's where the institute has been doing a lot. There's a lot of personal attention that we've got from Gaurav sir and all of the teachers, which a lot of students don't get everywhere else. And with that personal attention comes a plan of action. It comes a strategy that we're supposed to follow for the next 100 days. And I think proper implementation of that strategy and that plan of action is going to take us to where we want to go, and that's what we're doing every single day when we come to coaching. So I think, the institute is helping us right from the basics to the end. So yeah.
Yeah, I've come all the way from Allahabad because I've heard a lot about Sir, and I think because of that, I have full faith in him and his strategies, and then I think that I'll be able to make it up. And regarding the change pattern, if we see GK, I think the one-liners and everything are not going to help us anymore. So we need to be a little detailed about. We need to have a detailed about knowledge about the current topics that are going on, and I think that here we are being given very nice strategies and personal attention that every coaching institute doesn't provide. So I think it's really good to be a part of this coaching.